Hello everyone, welcome to Codeforces Education Round 170. We are solving problem C, new game. So in this problem, there is a new game that Monocarp is playing. In this, he is using deck of n cards where ith card has exactly one AI integer written on it. Initially, in first turn, Monocarp can take any card from the deck, and during subsequent rounds he can exactly pick another one card which has the same number exactly on it, or the number just one greater than the number he previously took. Okay, so in other words, they have given the simplification of the question that he took a card with number x, and then on the current turn he can either take the number x or card with number x plus 1. So same, that is, if I have picked number 7 here, so in the next turn I can either pick 7 or 8. So yeah, these are the conditions. Monocarp can take any card which meets that condition regardless of its position in deck. So we don't care about the position of the cards where they are placed. And according to the rules, we can select the number of distinct numbers cannot exceed k. So let's say I have, let's quickly see the examples only. So I have k as 2, so I can pick up only two distinct numbers. So if let's say I'm picking up 2, then I can pick 2 and 3 only if they exist. So in this problem, we have 2 and 3 boards. So we will count the number of 2's, count the number of 3's. That will be our answer. Another case, if 3 and 4 are there, yes, I will count the number of 3's and number of 4's. That will be my another answer. Again, I have 4 and 5. I will count 4's and 5's, and that will be my another answer. So maximum of them eventually will be my answer. But for time being, I'm assuming that each pair we have one answer. And for 5, we don't have 6. So we can just consider only single element as 5 only. So let's say in the second example, we have k as 1. So I just need one element. So either I can take 10 or 11. So I have the maximum count is of 10, that is 3. So I will picking up that, and 11 count is 2. So I won't take that. In another example, I have 3. So I have to take basically a sequence that 4, 5, 6. So if you see, you can imagine that we are using some sort of sliding window, that I will be taking 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. So this kind of a sliding window will be there. So what I have done for this is I am basically taking the input n and k and vector a. I'm maintaining one set and one map. So y map will be for taking the frequency of all the elements I have, and set is for taking the unique count. So I'm just taking the set. I will clear entire a, and I will update my a with only unique numbers, and that too in sorted order using set. So that was all that I use set for. So I have taken the condition separately that if my k is equal to 1, then just simply iterate over my map, take the highest frequency count, and that will be my answer, and return it. So yeah, that I have separated out. For other case, what I'm doing is I'm maintaining one initial pointer for sliding window, that is start. A C is basically a counter that I will be comparing with a k, that how many distinct elements I have, and count will be basically my temporary answer. I will start with index 1. I will see that if my previous element, if they are the difference is 1 or not. So if their difference is by 1, so I will quickly implement my C and increase my count by the number of frequencies of that element I have. I will quickly check, since there is an increment made, that are they equal or not, C or K are equal or not. If they are equal, simply increment my answer, simply update that either my answer should be the answer that I have previously made, or the counter that currently the temporary answer that I have. So maximum of that will be my answer. I will be using this two pointer, that initial pointer I have. I will remove that from my count. I will increment that, and I will update my C accordingly. Yeah. But if that's not the case, that if they are not equal, I will refresh it, restart it, that my counter of C will become again 1. Starting index will be now I, and my count will be the number of AI I have. So yeah, that will be all, and I will be comparing my answer with the temporary answer every point of time when I'm changing in. So yeah, that was all, and finally I'm returning the answer. So yeah, this was all for this question. It was basically the implementation and using data structures. If you have any doubt, do comment it out, and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.